Hey everybody, look what I got. I was pleasantly surprised with Happy Mail. I am grinning from ear to ear. I had won a giveaway, and I thought that's what came in the mail. Then I'm opening it and going, this isn't from the giveaway. This is from Kat, from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. And I was just like, wow. So she sent me this cute little package. I am blown away. Okay? Alice in Wonderland. Isn't this adorable? You all know me, and you know I love Disney. And look at how cute little stamp. This is so adorable. So just a note, and it says, Donna, just a gift of thanks. Thanks for supporting my swap and sending me extra goodies. They were, or rather, are amazing. Love your channel. Thanks for your friendship. Have a wonderful crafty week. Hugs, Kat. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. Then she sent me an extra. That's Texas sneezing, sorry. And then this is that envelope. JansCrazyLife did a tutorial on this. Oh my gosh. It said, would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first? Texas, come on over. Look at this. And she raised this up on dimensionals. Loving the bling. And I love those. Okay, so this is actually on my list of things to make. And I'm so glad, I'm so honored that she sent this to me. And you're supposed to open both sides. Oh my God, I love this. Love it. And then it opens up. Oh my God. It's always tea time. And look at how cute the Mad Hatter is. And then, oh, this is adorable. The adventure's first explanations take such a dreadful time. Oh, and she put the Eight of Hearts in there, an actual card. How? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna read it, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Go ask Alice. Look at this. All right, right about here, I'm going to insert a picture. Wait till you see what hangs in my Disney room. Wasn't that cute? Look at this. This is so, so cute. And then this pull, oh, that is to die for. Wow. Oh, I love it. Oh, I have to make one of these. Oh, I definitely have to make one of these. My list of things to make just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Oh, look at this. Begin at the beginning and go on till you come to the end, then stop. Oh, look at all this paper. Who in the world am I? Ah, that's the great puzzle. Look at this. Oh, I love these. I love these. Oh, you did this so cute. Oh my goodness. If you don't know where you want to go, then it doesn't matter which path you take. The Cheshire Cat. Oh, Alice, how long is forever? White Rabbit, sometimes just 1 second. Oh, I'm late for a very important date. These are just so, so cute. Do you see who's being very needy right now? Oh, do you see this? Do you see who's right here? Look at this. Nobody wants to hear you. They want to see my gift. Nobody wants to hear you. No. It's mommy time. Oh, I love this. Now, Texas, I don't remember where this went. Pain into Heine. Oh, this is just so adorable. What a great gift. Kat, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. And then when you close it back up, you pull and then you retie. This is the cutest thing I have seen. Look at that. Thank you for this beautiful, beautiful gift. I love you all. I really do. All right, everybody, have a great day. And if you don't know who Kat is, I'm going to link her channel below. Please go check her out. I promise you're going to love it. All right, everybody, I will see you all real soon. Bye.